Hey Beautyistic fam, welcome back. You know, sometimes the simplest daily rituals reveal the most about a product's true performance. Shaving is one of those. Either it's smooth and effortless or a total hassle. Today, we're checking out something designed just for that. Harry's Shaving Kit for Men. It includes their Truman razor handle, 15-blade refills, and a travel blade cover, all tailored for face shaving, not head shaving. Now, right up front, since this is a men's grooming product, my husband jumped in to help with this review because, well, this isn't exactly my personal territory, but I want you to get an honest take from someone who actually uses it. The kit comes with those 5-blade refills, which Harry's claims distribute pressure evenly to minimize nicks. Plus, it has a precision trimmer blade for tricky spots like sideburns and under the nose. That's a key feature for detailed grooming. The blades have a flex hinge, so they adapt to the contours of your face, combined with a lubricating strip for smooth glides and a polished finish. And the travel cover? It's a nice touch for protection when you're on the move. So, how did it perform in real life? My husband found it very straightforward to use. The handle has a solid ergonomic grip. Not too bulky, but sturdy enough for control. The flex hinge really helped the blades track along his face without needing extra pressure, which made shaving quicker and more comfortable. The lubricating strip felt effective at preventing irritation, especially around sensitive areas. He did a test run after a couple of days without shaving, and the 5 blades made a noticeable difference in a smooth, close shave compared to some 3-blade options he's tried before. The precision trimmer was especially useful for shaping sideburns and under the nose without missing a spot. On the flip side, the blades can dull slightly after around 7 to 10 shaves, depending on your hair type. Also, while the kit's travel cover is convenient, it's a bit basic. Nothing fancy, but functional. Another thing, this razor is strictly for face use, so don't expect it to work for head shaving or body grooming. It's designed with that specific market in mind. Looking at the pros, you get excellent blade quality, a thoughtfully designed handle, and a smooth glide thanks to the lubrication strip. The 15 refill blades are generous, making this kit a practical investment that should last quite a while. The precision trimmer is a standout feature for detailed grooming. The packaging is clean and minimalistic, which I appreciate from a sustainability standpoint. As for cons, the blades aren't the longest lasting compared to some premium competitors, but they're not far behind. The travel blade cover, while useful, is quite simple. Also, this kit is pricier than some basic razors on the market, but you're paying for quality and convenience. In terms of value, if you're looking for a reliable razor set that balances quality with ease of use, Harry's is definitely worth considering. You get a well-designed handle and a solid number of blades, which means fewer trips to buy replacements. If you want something more budget-friendly, brands like Gillette or Schick offer cheaper alternatives, but the shave quality and blade lifespan might not be as consistently smooth. Build-wise, the razor handle feels durable, with a nice matte finish that resists slipping. The blades snap on securely, which is important for safety and precision. The longevity of the blades is decent, but not exceptional. You'll want to keep an eye on blade sharpness after about a week of daily use. I haven't personally interacted with Harry's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for responsive support and straightforward subscriptions, which helps keep fresh blades arriving without hassle. If you're gifting this kit, it's a thoughtful choice, especially for men who appreciate clean grooming without fuss. Whether it's for a dad, husband, boyfriend, or brother, Harry's hits the sweet spot between premium feel and practical function. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. So wrapping up, Harry's Shaving Kit delivers a close, comfortable shave with features that matter. Flexible blades, a solid handle, and a precision trimmer. It suits men who want an easy-to-use razor with a good balance of quality and convenience. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it justifies its price with consistent performance and a thoughtful design. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link down in the description or comments. If you've tried Harry's razors before, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.